To remove the battery from the Gryphon mobile or Bluetooth scanner, turn the scanner over and locate the Phillips screw at the bottom of the handle. Remove this screw and then pull the end cap away from the scanner. Next, remove the plastic insert. Then use a small screwdriver to push the scanner's contact assembly through the holes. Use the same screwdriver to gently pry it away from the housing and bend it back out of the way. Next, disconnect the battery connect by pulling it apart. Then remove the screws that secure the battery holder and slide out the battery holder, allowing the connector to pass through the hole. Finally, locate the clips that hold the battery in. Hold these back while you pull out the battery. When putting the new battery in, it is important to have the battery oriented so that the battery side connector lines up with the scanner side connector. Install the battery holder with the connector going through the hole with the 3 screws. Then connect the 2 ends and push them in so that they fold toward the scanner. Next, bring the scanner's contact assembly over and push it through the holes until the assembly board is touching the housing. Then place the plastic insert back in. Finally, place the end cap back on and tighten the screw.